Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kidjeffjay signing in. I highly appreciate every single one of you guys returning back to my channel. With that said, you guys are beautiful and amazing. Alright, that I will be going today to Popeyes Chicken since I am a latecomer on the Popeyes chicken sandwich. So I'm gonna get into the video and I'll be seeing you guys in the car. I'm coming, you guys. I'm coming. Oh, where you guys at? Oh, you guys are right there. But every single day I have to come in through the trunk. Yeah, unfortunately, today I'm getting ready for this video. As you guys seen, it's just satisfying seeing Donald Trump eat this Popeyes chicken sandwich. And I'll see you guys when I get to Popeyes chicken. There you go, you guys. The President of the United States is next right here on my Popeyes. And I'm unfortunately gonna try the new chicken sandwich, which is right there. I would like to get 4 of those to go, please, because I gotta go back to the White House.
Do you want the 4 classic or 4 spicy?
I want the 4 that people order the most because I'm kind of late. Well, I'm just waiting for the order real quick. There you go, you guys. They're already calling me. They already said my name, which I turned on this. Alright, so let's get ready to eat the sandwich finally. Let's open it. Whoa, you guys, look at this chicken sandwich right here. How crispy it is. Nice. Let's see what it tastes like. There you go. We're almost over with it. We're almost finished with it. Oh, voila. Let me clean my mouth a little bit. Well, it was an amazing sandwich. So an amazing chicken sandwich it was. So voila, there you go. So it was a great experience. The people loved it. I highly appreciate it. Stay tuned, come back. And with that said, yep, this is Donald Trump. So about to sign out.